Hello, today we will guide you through how to disconnect Stripe from Xero. In this walkthrough, we'll remove the Stripe payment service from your Xero organization so customers can no longer pay Xero invoices via Stripe. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into Xero with the right permissions for managing payment services. It's also a good idea to let your team know that removing Stripe will change how future invoices are paid. Start on your Xero homepage for the organization you want to update. Check the organization name near the top of the screen to confirm you're in the correct company. If you have access to multiple organizations, open the organization menu and make sure the right one is selected so you don't change settings in the wrong place. From here, go to Settings. Depending on your layout, you'll find this in the main navigation. In Settings, choose Online Payments. This area controls which payment options appear on your invoices and how they connect to external providers. Next, open Connected Services. You'll see the payment services currently linked to this organization. Locate Stripe in the list, then select Edit. This opens the management screen for the Stripe connection where you can change or remove the service. Choose Remove Stripe from this Xero organization. Xero will ask you to confirm since removing Stripe will stop the Pay Now or credit card buttons appearing on new invoices. When you're ready, select Remove on the confirmation prompt. Xero will disconnect Stripe from this organization and you'll return to the services page with Stripe no longer listed. Here's what to expect after removal. Customers won't be able to pay your Xero invoices through Stripe anymore, but your past invoices, payments, and reconciled data remain intact. This action only disconnects the payment service in Xero. It doesn't close or delete your Stripe account. If you decide to accept card payments again later, you can reconnect Stripe from the same online payments area. A few tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the option to remove Stripe, you may lack the required permissions, so check with an organization admin. If you also use a separate Stripe bank feed in Xero, note that it's managed independently from payment services. And if you have invoice templates or branding themes that reference Stripe, consider updating the payment instructions so customers know how to pay going forward. That's it. You've successfully disconnected Stripe from your Xero organization. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to double check the steps.